Alexia. Woo!
Such a good dress too.
Boogie. We are discoing with our disco
You can
ball.
disco, you'll go.
Yeah, I'm going for it.
Okay, who doesn't love a disco ball?
Yeah.
Really?
Especially one that's been painted on by
So
Jeff.
beautiful.
I know.
Okay, we'll put him down for a
Pop it
second.
down and let's admire Marbella dress in
Cupro.
the cupro fabric, which is the cotton-derived fabric, which is very, very cool to wear in summer, but you can throw it in the washing machine, which is great.
Sophie's wearing it unbelted in the tobacco colour. And just look
loose.
how gorgeous that is.
Yeah, it's a great
You're not
colour.
gonna
Take
take
that off.
I'm wearing it in black. I've belted mine with a skinny belt from Bermuda Black, which we love. And you can wear a cardi on top, take it off.
Yep.
Off you go. Washes in the washing machine.
V-neck.
V-neck.
It's also cut on
The bias.
the bias, so you can see how it's going out quite wide like that, which works really well from a fitting
so
point of
it
view.
works on all kinds of bust shapes as well. It's very
The flat,
so flat.
the flat,
So not so flat.
and the not so flat.
And we're also doing it in.
Oh, we've also got this gorgeous blue that we're doing it in, so the dusty blue again. Yeah. So there we are, Marbella dress ready to dance the night away.
Woo!